Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Voicify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Voicify's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in voicify.ai and make a search. It will take you to the official page of Voicify. Tap on Sign Up option at the top right corner of the screen. Now to sign up for your Voicify's account, you can either continue with Google or else enter your username and email address. Create a password for your Voicify's account. Tick mark on the box to agree to the terms and conditions of Voicify AI and then tap on Join Voicify. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can sign up for your Voicify's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.